Okay. For today's shoot, for Wednesday, we are going to be on the back of page 16, which is called Balancing Equations Practice Worksheet. There's 10 reactions. Again, we're going to go through balance and type all 10. So I got the first one up. So first thing I'm going to do, again, is type it. I'm looking for what type I'm going to go with. It looks like I've got a cation, anion. So I'm going to classify that as a double. And let's see what else we can do with this. I'm going to start with nitrate. I've got 2 of nitrate, so I know I'm going to go. I'm going to need to do 2 here. Again, my need here was 2. So I'm even on sodium. Let's see, oxygen is 1. Change the color. Got 1 here, got 1 there. Sodium's good. And nitrate's good and lead is good. That one's balanced and done. So we're on to the next one. Number 2, AgI plus Fe2CO3 to FeI3 plus Ag2CO3. Okay, again, type. Looks like we've got cation, anion. That's going to be double replacement. So where do we want to start? We are going to start with carbonate. I'm going to start with carbonate because I've got 3 here. So my need here is going to be 3. So I'm not going to worry about balancing I yet. I'm going to go with iron because iron here is even. So I'm going to get even here. To get even here, I need to put a 2 there. I think I'm done, except for I. I've got 2 times 3 is 6I here, so I'm going to go and do my I count, and I've got 2 times 3, so I've got 6I there, and I know I need 6I here. That's what I need, so I'm going to put 6 here, and that takes care of it because I got 3 times 2 for 6 for silver, and I was the last player standing, and number 2 is balanced. Let's take a look at number 3. Number 3, we got C2H4O2 and CO2 and H2O as products. Well, when you see C2O and H2O as products, your type is going to be combustion. So when we're doing combustion reactions, we set up our grid. You've got team reacts, team prods, and we start with carbon. Carbon, we've got 2 here, so our need on this side is 2, so we're going to put a 2 there. Carbon's taken care of. Then we're going to go on to hydrogen. Hydrogen, we've got 4 here, and we've got 2 here, so our need is 4. 2 times 2 gets me those 4. Then I'm on to oxygen. Oxygen's always last. So I do my L count on the product side. 2 times 2 is 4 here. 2 times 1 is 2 there. 4 plus 2 is 6. So my need on this side is 6. But I have 2 hiding here. So I got to subtract those 2 out. So my total need is not 6, but 4. So I'll put my 4 here. 2 goes into 4 2 times. And that gives me my balanced equation. Let's go on to number 4. Let's take a look at 4. We got zinc sulfate, lithium carbonate to zinc carbonate plus lithium sulfate. All right. Take a look at this one. First up, we're going to type it and type cation, anion, cation, anion. Type is double. So where do we want to start? This one looks balanced, and I'm going to tell you why, because I've got a +2 and a +1 cation. And I got both -2 anions, so it has to play out. Got 2 lithiums there, 1 sulfate, 1 sulfate, 1 zinc, 1 zinc, 1 carbonate, 1 carbonate. That one's balanced. And sometimes just take a step back, check to see if everything's the same, and you end up having to do nothing before you start playing with the numbers game. And first one, the last one in this set is going to be number 5. It's going to be a 2-setter. So I'm going to go with V2O5 plus CAS to CaO plus V2S5. All right, let's take a look. First up, we're going to type it again. Looks like we got cation, anion, double replacement. So let's take a look. 5 sulfurs. Let's start there. If I go with 5 sulfurs, my need here is 5. So I have to put a 5 out there. Now I'm going to go on to calcium. Calcium. I have 5 here, so my need here is 5. So I'm going to put a 5 up there. And I think I'm good. Am I good on oxygen? Yes. Oxygen, 5 times 1 is 5. You have 5 there. Vanadium's good. Even. 5 sulfurs, 5 sulfurs. This one's done. And that concludes part 1 of the back side of page 16.